Welcome back to my channel. My name is Casey. I'm so happy to have you here with me today. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my Copacetic Monthly for the month of March. If you are new to the Copacetic Monthly, I'm going to refer you to my very first Copacetic Monthly Unbagging. In that video, I do more of a deep dive on the brand, talk about what they have to offer. But essentially, the Copacetic Monthly is a monthly makeup subscription for $12 a month. And with that, you receive one pressed eyeshadow, one mini lip gloss, one mini nail polish, and a mystery item. And the bag is totally customizable. You're able to choose which eyeshadow, which nail polish, and which lip product you want every single month, which makes it so much more fun in my opinion. As always, there'll be timestamps in the description box. I'm going to start this video by sharing some very exciting news, and then we will get into this month's box, the theme. I will share each product I received. We will wrap things up. I will share my favorite item I received for this month, and then of course, a blooper reel. So if all that sounds good to you, keep on watching. First and foremost, the exciting news I have to share with you. I am a Copacetic Cosmetics affiliate. I thought by now that I would be able to say it without getting teary-eyed, so I apologize. So back in January, Copacetic Cosmetics had posted on their Instagram that they were in search of new affiliates. And so throughout the month of January, they were hosting somewhat of a contest, if you will. Anyone could enter. There was, of course, certain criteria you had to meet for it to count as an entry. One of them being using the hashtag Copacetic Affiliate Search, which you can still search if you go on Instagram and type in Copacetic Affiliate Search. You'll be able to see all kinds of beautiful swatches and Copacetic cosmetic products, as well as all of the beautiful creators using them. So I'll insert some clips of some of the entries I used. This also prompted me to start creating reels on Instagram, as well as creating a TikTok, so I can post some of the content over there. A little selfish shout out there. If you want to follow me there, feel free. Because it's one thing to see makeup and the products applied to one's face, but it's a whole other thing to see the products up close, one-on-one, so you can see the swatches, see the shifts, see the colors, see the shine, to see the beauty of the product itself. So the month of January was just so exciting. In addition to just feeling inspired to create my own content, it was just so cool to see everyone else's. Every day, Copacetic would share new posts to their stories of beautiful looks and swatches and flat lays and reels and just everything, all things Copacetic. That's always been one of my favorite things about Copacetic Cosmetics. When I first discovered them and followed them on Instagram, I noticed right away, every single day they were resharing posts from other creators, and it's just so cool. You know, I've been creating beauty content for a couple years now, and I do it without the expectation that the brand will ever see it. I just assume they will never see it. But you know, there's always a little part of you that hopes that maybe, because how amazing is that? How amazing would that be? I never expect it to happen. I just share it because I enjoy it. I enjoy meeting other makeup and beauty lovers, other creators, and simply because I enjoy making content. So to see an indie brand consistently resharing posts from other creators was just really, really cool. I know maybe indie brands are better at doing that than the bigger mainstream brands, but I don't know, Copacetic just had a way of making me feel part of this community that they were creating, and it was just really special to see so many unique faces, so many unique aesthetics when it comes to their makeup looks. Everything from really bold, bright, colorful makeup to more neutral, natural, light, one and done shadow type looks. You get a little bit of everything, and that's what I think is so great about it. Everyone feels welcome in the Copacetic community, and that is just one thing I have truly loved about them from the start. So Copacetic had said they'd be choosing between 1 to 5 new affiliates on February 1st. February 1st came around and I hadn't heard anything. So even though I was entering without any expectation, of course, there's a little smidgy part of me that hopes.
Dreams.
That I would be chosen. So when I didn't hear anything, you know, that little piece of me shattered. But then one evening, a few days later, I was at the gym. I had just gotten on the treadmill and was warming up, getting ready for my workout. And so I had a DM from Copacetic Cosmetics, and it was my invite to become part of their team as a Copacetic Cosmetics affiliate. And as you can imagine, right there, right in the middle of the gym, 5, 6 o'clock, you know, a lot of people around. I just started crying. I kind of lost it. I felt all kinds of emotions, just out of shock and excitement and disbelief, I think. And also just this feeling, and this is what I think gets me so emotional about it. There's something really special about when you work on something, when you're doing something simply because you enjoy it. There's no expectation of the outcome. You're simply just doing it because you love it. And when it does turn into something bigger than what you thought, anticipated, it's just such an overwhelming feeling of self-belief and feeling proud of yourself. And it's It's just such a good feeling. So anyway, I feel incredibly fortunate, incredibly lucky, so unbelievably excited, and not just for the sake of being a brand affiliate. I mean, I think that's a goal for many creators in this space. That is just such a huge accomplishment, achievement. But to have it with a brand that I truly admire, not just for the makeup and the products they create, but for who they are as a brand and the space they represent in the community, it's just beyond words. I'm very, very grateful. Thank you so much to Olivia and Copacetic Cosmetics. I'm so excited. I also want to thank you for watching my videos and for supporting me. I've been doing YouTube for almost 2 years now. That's kind of crazy. And I know that I have a very small community here, but for those of you that I've met and that I see in the comments regularly, I love you. I enjoy seeing your comments and seeing your faces. You mean so much to me. I truly hope you know that. So what this means for you, if you are purchasing anything from Copacetic Cosmetics, you're able to use my affiliate code. It's Casey Wilson. Type that in at checkout and that will save you 10% off your purchase. I do earn a small commission each time you use the code. I just want to be transparent about that. So use it if you wish, no pressure, but I truly appreciate it if you do. I do plan to do a video swatching all of my Copacetic single eyeshadows here soon, which for the record is over 50 shadows and growing. And then in addition to that, I think I would like to create some tutorials using some of my favorite singles. That way you can see the shadows live in action and how I like to use them. And if any of you follow me on Instagram, it's Casey Wilson. I did create a second Instagram account, it's Casey Wilson Beauty, because I want to be creating more beauty content, specifically more flat lays, more swatches. And I just didn't want to have all of that on my main account because that is my personal account. My main one is also fitness, beauty. I share a lot of memes, a lot of sarcastic, witty comments because that's, you know, who I am as a person. So feel free to follow me there and or on my Instagram beauty account. I will also be sharing more Copacetic content there. All right, let's dive into March's Copacetic Cutie bag. The theme this month was Planetary Nebula. First, the lip product I chose this month is the shade Beautiful Death. It is described as a warm toned apricot nude lipstick. The other lip option this month is the shade Stellar Winds, which is a blue base lip gloss with blue and purple shifting shimmers that is blueberry scented. If you've been watching my Copacetic monthlies, you'll know that I've come to enjoy using their liquid lipsticks as eyeshadow bases. So that's what prompted me to choose this lippy this month. I saw it as a beautiful nude eyeshadow base. I definitely thought it would be way too light for a liquid lip for my liking, but I did try it on this morning. I'll try it on again now. It goes on crazy light, like that looks insane. Hold on. But it's actually not that bad. I was pleasantly surprised by how much it toned down, and it's a really pretty nude actually. Imagine this with a sparkly shimmery gloss on top. I actually might like it as a lip product. I have not used it yet on my eyes. I look forward to trying it there, but I might kind of dig it on my lips here also. We'll see. I just topped it with one of my Bare Minerals glosses because I feel like my look already is pretty nude. I didn't want to come across too ghostly. My nail polish choice this month is the shade Nebulae. Nebulae? Nebulae? Nebulae. Now it doesn't sound like a word.
Nebulae. Nebulae.
The shade Nebulae. It is a blue base polish with blue, purple, teal shifting shimmers. The other two polish choices this month are the shade Scattered, which is a clear base glitter bomb with holographic glitter, and Mysterious Beyond, which is a green gold teal shifting polish that glows green in the dark. I am wearing the nail polish today and I love it. I love it so much. I recently filmed a nail polish collection / declutter video. I think that will go up after this one, so stay tuned for that. But in that video, I tell you that blue nail polish is my favorite. I have a beautiful collection of blue nail polish and I'm so excited to add this one to it. Straight on, it looks like a teal metallic polish, but when they shift in the light, you see the purple shifting aura. It's so pretty. I was able to achieve this opacity with 2 coats. As I've said in past videos, I enjoy the Copacetic nail polish formula. I don't have any issues with it. If you see a shade you like, I don't think you'll be disappointed. My eyeshadow pick this month is the shade White Dwarf. It is described as an iridescent purple with multi-chrome micro flaky shifting throughout. There were a total of 4 eyeshadows to choose from, which can all be purchased in the Planetary Nebula Quad for $20 or as singles for $5 a piece. The other 3 shades are Highly Unstable, which is a mixture of blue, green, yellow, and purple shifting shimmers. Running on E, which is a dusty, deep navy. And lastly, Low Mass Star, which is a yellow base shade with yellow, green, and purple shimmers. So today I used my Dose of Colors Sassy Sienna's palette. I used one of the brighter coral shades all over my lid, and then I dusted this on top, and I love the way it turned out. We finally have a sunny day here in Minnesota, and I feel like this look is just all the spring vibes happening. I cannot wait for warmer weather. Love that it's not super sparkly. It's just this beautiful purple iridescent reflect. I really like it. And then in my inner corner here, I used the product we'll be talking about next, but I just like the way everything came together. The salmon with the contrasting blues and purples. I really like today's look. I feel like one of Copacetic's signature shadow colors is this sort of purple, sparkly, iridescent type shade. I have a couple of them in my collection. I will swatch all of them here for you so that if you already have some of them, you can sort of compare and decide if you want to pick this one to add to your collection as well. But of the few that I have, I think this one is one of my top 2 or 3 favorites. I love these color shadows. I think they're so versatile for the face, for the eyes, for the lips even. They're light, they're airy, they're pretty to look at, they're whimsical. They're just fun. Last but not least, the mystery item I received this month is one of their Decadence powders. This is the shade Drifting in Space. It is a blue, purple, and pink shifting loose highlighter. So their Decadent powders are loose highlighters. They come beautifully packaged. The directions say that you are to lightly shake the compact, then touch your brush to the petals to pick up the highlighter. They currently have 3 shades available: Candy Clouds, which is a blue, purple shifting sparkle; Morning Dew, which is a white; and Petal, which is a pinky nude. I love a pinky nude, so that's on my wish list. This is the other product I have on my eyes. I put some all over in the inner corner here, a little bit on my brow bone, and I did use it as a highlighter. I love it. For being someone who's quite intimidated by blues, I don't feel that it's overly blue. I just love the way it makes my face just look really dewy and pretty, and just that surprising blue reflect I think is really cool. And I didn't use anything. I didn't use a base on my inner corners, and just pressed it into my inner corners here, and I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. That was everything I received in my Copacetic monthly for the month of March. It's gonna be hard to choose a favorite this month. I love the nail polish, but I really like the Decadence powder. Really a lot. I might, oh, no, I don't know. I think I'm gonna go with the nail polish, just because I'm weak for blue nail polish. And this one's really cool. It's really unique. I don't have anything else like it in my polish collection. I'd love to hear your thoughts, your opinions. Were there any products that caught your eye this month? I want to thank you again so much for your support and for tuning in with me and for joining me on this makeup YouTube journey. I appreciate you and your time so very much. And I look forward to continuing to grow and to share our love for makeup together. I want to thank you so much for your time today. Thank you for hanging out with me. I hope you hit the subscribe button so you can come back next time. And until next time, I hope you have the most wonderful day. There will be timestamps. I will up close. A whole other thing to see the swatch. Come on over. Did I wake you? Working with first day hair here, so cut me a break. I need to get my hair highlighted or something badly. I have received the 4th or 5th comment that is, I think, pushing me over the edge now about my hair. The first one was from one of my friends. She just very subtly said to me one day,
"So, are you growing out your roots?"
And you know, she probably meant well, but what I heard was,
"So, are you purposely trying to look like crap?"
it's on my list of things to do. I hate getting my hair done. I hate sitting in the chair for that long. Can you relate?